Today na serious cooking. All of
Una, prepare yourselves. Madam Pot, are ready? Make we scatter this kitchen today.
abeg o. I no wan enter that hot place. My life never starts. Which life? Na soup you go become. Accept your destiny. Anytime them cut me, everybody they cry, even me sef. Relax, na my work be this. Cooking concert don't start. I don't enter. Calm down. Now here you go, become something better. Oh yeah. Everybody mix well. Sometimes, to become better, you must pass through heat. In this kitchen, transformation isn't just a goal. It's the sweet, spicy journey of process.